Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al, and welcome to the January 2026 SheetLoad Showcase. Welcome, or perhaps welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. Each month, I like to stop by and share a look with you at all the cards my creative team made with the latest SheetLoad of cards. And today, that is for January 2026. I debuted this free printable earlier this month, and there are a couple things that make it special. Not only does it use 6x6 pattern paper with no pattern paper scraps, but it is also in collaboration with Kendra of Kendra's Card Challenge. I have used her sketch from KCC number 18, and she is using one of my sketches in her latest challenge. Make sure to check out the debut video to find out how to download the free printable and learn more about the collaboration, and then hop on over to the process video to see how I made my first set, which here are 2 of the cards I made, 2 of the 8, and you can find both of those videos linked down in that description box below. Once you watch my video today, I hope you'll go check out any of the videos of creative team members that you have not yet already seen, including our 2 new members, Reagan and Justine. You can find the January 2026 playlist link also down in that description box below, and I'll have it as an end card at the end of this video. As I always say, everybody would love for you to stop by, see what they created, and leave them some love. And if you want to show us your SheetLoad, make sure to use the hashtags at the top of the printable if you're sharing on social media. And you can also check out the guidelines video down in the description box where I give you other ways to share, including if you want to send in a card for the end of the month video. It's always fun not only to see how SheetLoad inspires my team, but inspires you as well. Before we take a look at what the team created, I do want to remind you that if you watched my 2025 Crafty Advent series in December, that the recap and giveaway rules video is ready for you to view for a little walk down memory lane of all the tags we made and the gifts that I got. And then also I show you how to enter your words to win one of, I think, 8 Advent calendars it is. I will have that linked below as well. It is a pretty long one. It's 45 minutes. So make sure to grab a snack and a drink before you get started on that. The deadline to enter those words is January 20th, 2026. So if you're watching this before then, I hope you'll check it out. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the team's cards. Up first is one of our new team members, Reagan of Uniquely Reagan, and for her debut on the team, she created a set of 8 Valentines. I'm loving her twine nest behind that faux wax seal focal point. Also new to the team this month is Justine from Stationery by Justine. I love how she has done that tone-on-tone stenciling on the background cardstock and her fun focal points. Yvette of the Yvette Olea Creates channel also went with a Valentine theme. I'm loving the floral papers and the vintage feel of these cards. Up on screen now is a set of cards that Beck Ann from the Beck and Sam Crafting Fun channel made this month. I'm loving those delicate butterfly die cuts and how she has added the foil border to her angled piece. Letty of the Party Planner Paperie channel has already got a jump on her 2026 Christmas cards. I love how she has rotated the sketch and used those tag cut-aparts for her focal points. Up next and featured in this month's thumbnail is the SheetLoad of cards that Ashley from Mint Twist Cards created. I'm loving her pattern paper in the background and those patterns that she has paired together. Lauren from Lauren Taylor Made created a set that is out of this world. I am loving how in the background she has embossed and did some foiling. Tracy from Not Afraid of Color had a couple different themes for her first set of January 2026 cards. I love the texture in the background on the donut cards and the fun punny sentiments on her pizza cards. Beth of Bourbon Creek Crafts made a set of 8 Valentine's cards. I'm loving the red and white polka dots paired with the envelope paper and her fun heart-shaped focal points. Carmen of the Choose Joy with Carmen YouTube channel created a set of 8 lovely cards this month. I really like those pattern papers she has paired together and that she also rotated the sketch and moved her angled piece around the card. Chelsea of the Creative Chelsea channel made a set of 8 beautiful cards this month. I love the pretty florals, and did you guys know she used the items from the 2025 Stampin' Up! Advent Calendar. It was so fun to see these in action. Up next is Toby of the Bitty Penny YouTube channel, and once again she has shared her own unique take on the latest sketch. I am loving all of the various elements and layers that she has added to her cards. Wasn't that another wonderful showcase? If you agree, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comment section what were some of the favorite ways you saw that team members made this sketch their own. Then you can always check out their individual videos, again by using the playlist link, or I do have a channel link list down in the description box as well. Until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.